Your mechanic isn't ripping you off. They're just banking on the fact that you'll show up uninformed, and statistically, they win that bet every single time. The average car owner spends over $1,200 a year on repairs that could have been caught weeks earlier. These 10 gadgets flip that equation completely. No mechanical background needed. Just the right information at the right time. Number 10. FIXD Active Car Health Monitor. Most people see the check engine light and their stomach drops. FIXD plugs straight into your car's OBDII port. Every car made after 1996 has one, and tells your phone exactly what's wrong, in plain English. Not just a code number. Actual language you understand. Your catalytic converter is failing. That alone saves you the $100 to $150 diagnostic fee every time that light comes on. It also tracks your service history and flags upcoming maintenance before things go sideways. One purchase, unlimited free reads. Mechanics charge you just to connect the same device. Number 9. Garmin Dash Cam. Picture this: someone clips your bumper in a parking lot and disappears. No plate, no witnesses. Your insurance company says without proof, it's going against your record. A dash cam removes that entire situation. The Garmin 67W runs continuously in the background, wide-angle lens capturing everything with enough detail to hold up an actual claim. Beyond parking lots, it records while you drive, which matters enormously in no-fault states where fraudulent claims from other drivers are a real, growing problem. One successful fault determination or one avoided claim can protect you from years of inflated insurance premiums. This camera costs less than a single deductible. Number 8. NOCO Genius 10 Charger. Batteries die in two ways: suddenly and slowly. The slow kind is what kills most people's wallets. Short trips, weekend sitting, seasonal storage, all of it drains a battery without fully recharging it. It plugs into your battery in the garage, reads the charge state, and automatically manages it so you never deep discharge again. It also has a recovery mode that can bring back batteries most people would have already replaced. A new battery runs $150 to $300 depending on the car. A tow on top of that adds another $75 to $150. Proper maintenance with this charger can genuinely double your battery's lifespan. The math is embarrassingly obvious. Number 7. FOBO Tire Plus External TPMS. Here's what nobody talks about with tire pressure: it's not just a safety thing. Running low silently kills your fuel economy, chews through your tires unevenly, and hides other problems developing underneath. FOBO Tire Plus screws onto each valve stem and sends live pressure and temperature data straight to your phone. Constantly. You catch a slow leak the morning it starts, not when you're stranded on a freeway. A hot rear tire can also signal brake drag or an alignment issue, both of which are cheap fixes when caught early. A full tire replacement set? Anywhere from $600 to $1,000. An alignment correction caught in time? Around $100. This sensor kit earns its keep fast. Number 6. LOOKIT Rear Vision System. Unlike typical aftermarket backup cameras that are often complex and costly, LOOKIT can be set up swiftly without requiring intricate wiring or drilling into your vehicle. It seamlessly connects to your smartphone, transforming your iPhone or Android device into a rear-view camera system. With the help of a wireless remote, your smartphone immediately displays the camera feed. Installation is quick, takes only about 10 minutes, and includes customizable grid lines to aid in parallel parking. Number 5. BlueDriver Pro OBDII Skin Tool. 3. Here's what separates this from your average code reader: BlueDriver digs into systems most tools completely ignore. ABS, airbags, transmission, HVAC, all readable. Those systems are where the expensive repairs hide. On top of that, it pulls vehicle-specific repair reports, actual fix options, ranked by likelihood, with parts costs and typical labor fees spelled out. Mechanics access the same data through shop equipment that runs thousands of dollars. BlueDriver is around $120 and connects to your phone. No subscription. If your car has crossed 100,000 miles, this tool earns back its cost the first serious time you use it. Number 4. Lucas Oil Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. Engine wear doesn't send warnings. It just compounds metal on metal during cold starts before oil fully circulates, heat thinning your oil mid-drive, extended drain intervals pushing your lubricant past its useful life. LOOKIT oil stabilizer blends into your existing engine oil and clings to metal surfaces even after shutdown. When the engine fires cold the next morning, there's already a protective layer waiting. High-mileage mechanics have been recommending this product for over 3 decades, quietly, without the marketing noise. At $10 to $12 a quart, added at each oil change, the cost is nothing. An engine rebuild or replacement starts at $2,500 and goes north fast. This bottle is legitimately one of the cheapest forms of engine protection you'll find. Number 3. Slime Flat Tire Puncture Kit. It comes with a special slime sealant that can fix punctures up to 1/4 inch from the inside. This slime repair can last for over 500 miles, giving you plenty of time to get to a tire repair shop safely. But that's not all, this inflator works just like a regular one too. Just plug it into your car socket, attach the hose, and hit the button to start inflating. Plus, it has a built-in digital display so you can keep an eye on your tire pressure in real time. And if you overinflate, no worries, there's a dedicated deflate button just for that. Number 2. AstroAI. This isn't the flashiest gadget on this list, but it might be the one that saves you the most money across the lifetime of your car. Underinflated tires cost the average driver $400 plus per year in wasted fuel alone, before you factor in the accelerated tire wear, the added strain on suspension components, and the increased blowout risk on highways. It plugs into your 12V outlet, has a built-in digital gauge, and inflates a standard car tire in under 4 minutes. No gas station runs, no guessing. Works on bikes and sports equipment too. It's cheap, it's small, and it lives in your trunk permanently. The kind of thing you completely forget about until the exact moment you're desperately grateful you have it. Number 1. Autel MaxiCheck Scan Tool. This one is for the person who's genuinely done handing mechanics a blank check and hoping for honesty. This is a full system scanner: engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, TPMS, battery management, diesel particulate filter, and more. Not just code reading. It runs active tests, checks live sensor data, and performs service resets that normally require a dealer visit and a service fee. Oil service light reset alone costs $30 to $60 per visit at most shops. This does it in about 10 seconds. Covers 80 plus vehicle brands and gets regular software updates. It's not the cheapest entry on this list at $200 to $250, but if you own more than one vehicle or handle any of your own maintenance at all, it pays back its cost within the first month of serious use. So that's it for now. If you found these gadgets useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which gadget you'd love to have in your car. Thanks for watching.